that she's back, and advance Merry Christmas. And I hope your wish will be grant. Just pray, Nay. Everything will be okay, and I'm sure you're gonna win that case. And I hope that American guy, he'll be paid for what he did to those young child kids here at Angeles City. And to all out there that some of them are sick, they like young kids, which is, and they don't feel sorry what they do to the children. And some of the children also, they do some stupid thing and invite their friends to go with the foreigner just to get money, 60,000 peso. My God,
And
just about
the last
money.
time that the three kids, they get 100,000 per kid.